Okay, Ysha, come on.
Okay, Ysha. Ysha, this is a Tinkerbell. Oh no, an Ariel Animators collection.
I want
Ysha, no. Ysha, this one first.
This one first. It is from Disneyland. Disney Animator collection.
the fishes.
That's Isha's.
Yeah. And that's ending.
Yes, that's MJ's too.
No, that's
I think we need scissors.
No, that's Isha.
Isha, wait, let me open it. There you go.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Ariel.
Whoa! What?
It's for 3 years old and above. So many.
What's the cheers? Family. Please.
Okay, wait, let me just take this. No. I need to take this out.
Yeah, what's up here?
Yeah, so nice. I need scissors.
Source?
Yeah. Look at it. What can you see?
What do you mean?
Oh no. Ysha, look at the camera. Ysha, look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Scissors.
Let's look at the camera.
Yeah. How about MJ? Say hi, MJ.
Hi. Let's see
Okay, be
the
careful.
video.
Be careful because I'm gonna use the scissors.
What's
Stay
that?
away.
What's that, Mommy? What's that?
Stay away, I said. There.
Scissors, Mommy?
Yes, this is sharp scissors. Only adults can use it. Look at me, I can't use it properly. There.
No, baby first.
No, wait, no.
No, I
Baby, no, this is not toy. Murag dili man gusto pa.
Next.
Yeah. No, this is not toy. This is tools.
No, not yours. I want to try it.
No. It's for adults only.
Oh, your eyes.
It seems that they don't want us to open the gift.
Mommy.
Very hard packaging, as you can see.